all I carry in my travel bag. किसी ब्रांड को मेरे साथ कोलैबोरेट करना हुआ हो. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. In case if you are new here, my name is Manisha Sharma and I make content on makeup, beauty, fashion and lifestyle. Please take a moment to hit the subscribe button. Also press the bell button right next to it so that you get to notified whenever I upload a video. Now in today's video, I'll be showing you guys what all I carry in my travel bag. Yeah, this is the bag that I carry everywhere that I go because it's very compact, it's slim, it has got zips as well, it has got pockets and what not to love about it. And the color is really nice. I got this when I got married, तो उस time पे हम लिए थे and since then I've been using it. It's been 2 years and it is still so sturdy. It's got this red color with this detailing over here and Lavi written over here. It has got golden studs as well on the flap of it and it has got this magnetic closure. When you open it, it has got a zip over here and it has got a zip at the back as well, like this. The function of the zip is still very nice, very sturdy. 2 साल हो गए but this bag is still going on and I think I got this for around 850 or something. I got this from Ajio, so I'll link this down in the description box in case if you guys are interested to check this bag out. It's a really sturdy one, मतलब आप समझ लो ना 2 साल से use कर रहे हैं and this is still so sturdy and going really nicely. It has got this चेन डिटेलिंग इसके जो हैंडल में है, चेन डिटेलिंग है. जस्ट यहाँ शोल्डर हैंडल जो है, ये शोल्डर हैंडल पे ये लेदर है. अदरवाइज इट हैज़ गॉट कंप्लीट चेन डिटेलिंग. It goes really well with your western outfit, with your traditional outfit. So I really love this bag and I've been using it so much. मतलब जहाँ भी जाओ उस बैग को कैरी करते हैं. I'll post pictures of mine wherever I have carried this bag. It's a really good investment that I had made during that time. So yeah, let's dive into what all I have got into this. So when I open it, the flap which has got a magnetic closure here, I open the zip and the first thing that you can see all that I have in my bag. So I'll show it to you guys one by one. The first thing that I have is this sunscreen from Dot & Key. I recently reviewed this in my Instagram, so do follow me on my Instagram in case if you want to remain updated with all the reviews and any product that I'm using. For every update you can definitely check out my Instagram channel. I keep posting there. I'll not deep dive into the product details and all, just an overlook because this video is all about what's in my bag. Then I have this Maybelline lipstick. It's a very I've already shared it in my previous video that this is a very neutral tone lipstick. I'll swatch it again for you all. This is how the shade looks like. It's a very pretty mauvish shade. Goes with all the outfits that you wear, every like Indian, Western, anything. Suits all the skin tones as well. It's a very nude kind of color, still giving you a hint of that mauvish color on your lips. So इसलिए मुझे ये लिपस्टिक बहुत पसंद है, बहुत अफोर्डेबल भी है. ओरिजिनल प्राइस तो ये 399 का है, आई गेस 399 या 299, बट आई गॉट दिस ड्यूरिंग सेल्स फॉर 180 रुपीज़. लिंक सारे वेबसाइट के जहाँ पे भी मुझे ये मिलेंगे, आई लिंक एवरीथिंग डाउन सो दैट आपको जहाँ पे भी ये सस्ता मिले, डू बाय इट फ्रॉम देयर. Next up I have my glasses over here. So yeah, I'll just show you. This is how my glasses look like because मेरे आँखों में मुझे पावर है. अब यह स्क्रीन बहुत ज़्यादा यूज़ करे तब I need my glasses with me because बहुत आँखों को इफेक्ट करता है, दर्द होने लगता है. So I prefer wearing glasses. Then the big thing that I have basically ये ज़्यादा space लेने वाला है, थोड़ा सा बड़ा है ना सब बाकी चीज़ों से. So this is a book, Ikigai. I am yet to read this. I carry this like जब भी हम travel कर रहे हो तब हम थोड़ा बहुत तो at least इसको read करें. So I have got my earphones here which is a little tangled. Give me a second. So yeah, these are my earphones. These are from Putronics and I love wired earphones. I'm that old school girl जिसको wired earphones ही पसंद है. मुझे AirPods, earbuds कुछ नहीं पसंद, यही पसंद है, इसलिए I carry this. Next up I have this USB cable. ये मेरे चार्जर का केबल है which I carry along with my power bank. You never know when ever you are going to go out of the battery. सो उस टाइम के लिए बहुत काम की चीज़ है. एंड इन जनरल एज वेल लोगों की बैटरी बहुत जल्दी जाती है फ़ोन की, तो ये बहुत काम में आता है. सो या दैट्स सैड. नेक्स्ट अप, वेरी रैंडमली आई हैव अ पेन जस्ट इन केस अगर किसी ब्रांड को मेरे साथ कोलैबोरेट करना हुआ हो, या फिर मुझे वो चाहे कि हाँ हम कोई डील साइन करें, तो तब के लिए. जस्ट किडिंग. आई कैरी अ पेन, but I just carry it. No specific reason. I just carry it just in case if I need something. And bag है इतना बड़ा तो काम में आ ही जाता है इसलिए. Next up, I carry this Plum Body Loving का Smoking Vanilla EDP. Sorry, this is a body mist that I carry with me. I also carry perfumes as well. But bag में I keep mist, perfumes like randomly I keep anything. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि mist ही रखना है या perfume ही रखना है. So yeah, that's that. Next up, I have this Faces Canada का compact. The reason I keep compact because अगर sweaty हो गए, किसी से मिलना है, या फिर just in case I feel कि मेरा face बहुत oily लग रहा है, तो ये compact बहुत काम में आता है. एंड अगर आप देखो तो ये थोड़ा बहुत कवरेज भी दे देता है, स्वेट को भी हटा देता है. एंड स्पेसिफिकली इट कम्स विद अ मिरर, तो 2 in 1 काम करता है. या next up, I either carry a watch with me or I wear it, depending what I'm wearing. मतलब ऐसा कुछ है नहीं. I carry it. Sometimes I carry, sometimes I just wear. If I'm not wearing, I keep it in my bag and carry it with me. So yeah. I also carry this body lotion or a hand cream with me. This is a very light. ये हम स्मिटन से हमको मिला था ऐसे क्या हम लिए ही थे ट्रायल पॉइंट्स में. So I carry this with me. Especially summer के time. Then I carry this eye drop with me. It's a medical one and you can use it. Anyone can actually use this particular eye drop. ये आपको किसी भी फार्मेसी या मेडिकल स्टोर पे easily available मिल जाएगा. एंड या दिस इज़ वेरी नाइस. लाइक आपकी आंखें जब बहुत थकी होती हैं एंड स्पेशली आई एम शूटिंग, तो मेरी आंखों पे ऐसे लाइट्स डायरेक्टली पड़ती है. फिर हम कंप्यूटर भी यूज़ करते हैं काफ़ी टाइम तक, फिर फ़ोन भी यूज़ करते हैं जस्ट फॉर एडिटिंग एंड पोस्टिंग एंड ऑल ऑफ इट. ऑल दैट स्ट्रेन्स माई आइज अ लॉट, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ विच I prefer using this eye drops very often, like very often in the sense every day or alternate day. Before I go to sleep I use this eye drop. Then मेरे पास कुछ ऐसे coins हैं जैसे randomly पड़े हैं. What else? ये कुछ तो ड्रेस का है, मेरे बैग में ऐसे ही पड़ा है. Next up, in this zip I have my cards and थोड़े से cash. Another thing that I have are these Peridot chips that I got from Crystals by Ria. Bracelet मंगवाए थे, wealth bracelet, something like this. That was वो उसका साइज़ जो था ना थोड़ा मोटा था, तो उस टाइम पे मंगवाए थे. उस टाइम पे मैंने ये भी लिया था उनसे. ये पेरीडॉट्स है एंड इट इज़ पेरीडॉट crystals. So these are basically said that peridot is very good for your abundance and prosperity. तो I keep it in my bag. इसमें मेरे कार्ड्स हैं एंड ये पूरा मेरा खाली हो चुका है फिर से. Next, moving on to this back side or the back zip. When I open it, I have my bindi over here. I carry a spare bindi, just like that. I carry it because सूट्स वगैरह पहनते हैं, साड़ी वगैरह पहनते हैं ना, तो बैग में एक पड़ा रहता है. एंड दिस इज़ मरून इन कलर, तो ये सारे मरून बिंदी जो होती है ना हर आउटफिट के साथ. देन आई कैरी अगेन फ्यू clips and safety pins over here, and safety pins and ऐसे bobby pins है जो hair clips basically जो काम आते हैं. I also carry one clutcher with me. गर्मी हो गई तो I can just take my hair up and just do it like this. तो yeah, it looks nice ऐसे भी. and अगर चाहो ज़्यादा गर्मी है तो I can just एंड ऐसे बन बना लो. सी ऑल सॉर्टेड. गर्मी की गर्मी नहीं लगेगी एंड अच्छा भी लगेगा. It's a very pretty purplish color. I got it from Zudio. So yeah, I got it from Zudio in sale. I have shared this as well in my Zudio haul. So do check that video out. कुछ amazing उसमें pieces हैं and I believe अभी भी Zudio पे sale चल रही है. Like अगस्त में start हुई है कुछ ही दिनों पहले. So I would prefer, I would actually recommend you guys to go and check the Zudio out. एज इन वहाँ पे ब्रांड बहुत अच्छा है ना. एंड फिर मेरे पास यहाँ पे कुछ और कॉइन्स है एंड एक ईयरिंग है जो हम हमेशा ऐसे ना, ये सिल्वर स्टड्स है बेसिकली. ये बहुत प्रिटी लगते हैं, किसी भी ड्रेस के साथ पहन लो. बहुत डेंटी सा भी है ना, तो ये बहुत सुंदर सा लगता है. इससे अगर आप, बहुत शाइनी भी है, तो ये ना ऐसे ड्रेसेस के साथ भी आप पेयर अप कर लो तो अच्छा लगता है. सो या दैट्स दैट एंड वी आर डन विद दिस. इफ यू सी इट्स जस्ट कॉइन्स. आई जस्ट शो इट टू यू गाइस. these are just coins. I have a lot of coins. I keep it and मेरा बैग पूरा खाली है. So yeah, with that we have come to the end of this video of what's in my bag. I hope you guys have enjoyed and loved it. If you did, please make sure to like it and also share it with your friends and family so that they can enjoy it too. Also make sure to follow me on my Instagram and Facebook page so that you can remain updated whatever I'm doing, what all videos I'm posting. There are multiple reviews that I keep posting, transition videos, very interesting and amazing reels I create on my Instagram. So do follow me there. Really grateful to all of you for supporting this channel and showing your love on all my videos. Keep supporting this channel as much as you do and as much as you can. I'm trying my best to be consistent, to be to post interesting things for you guys. I hope you guys are enjoying. If you love my video and my content, please make sure to leave a comment so that I can know you guys are watching and loving it. Or if you have any recommendations, if you have any requests, do let me know. I'll surely keep that in mind and I'll keep creating those contents for you guys so that you guys can enjoy. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.